If you thought the DJI Mini 4 Pro was impressive, wait till you hear what's coming next. Leaks and rumors are now swirling around DJI's next big release, the Mini 5 Pro, and it might just land as early as September. From upgraded sensors to smarter flight features, there's a lot to be excited about. In this video, we're breaking down everything that's leaked so far, what we can expect, and whether this next-gen drone is worth the wait. Let's dive in. DJI hasn't said anything official yet, but two trusted sources believe the DJI Mini 5 Pro is coming in September 2025. The first rumor came from Jasper Ellens at Drone XL, who's usually been right about DJI stuff before. Then another well-known leaker, Hakasushi, also shared that he heard from a reliable source the release is set for September. Since both are saying the same thing, it's starting to look pretty likely, and it would line up perfectly as it's been 2 years since the Mini 4 Pro came out. Some new leaked photos show what might be the Mini 5 Pro being tested. It looks a bit sleeker and a little bigger. One thing that stands out: propeller guards. They might just be for testing, but some people think DJI could include them in a box like they did with the DJI Avata to make flying safer. The motors also look bigger than those on the Mini 4 Pro, which might mean more power and better handling in windy conditions. But here's the catch: can it still weigh under 249 grams? That's the key number for drone fans, because in many places like the US, staying under that weight means you don't need to register it for personal use. DJI has managed to keep that weight limit with past models, but with these new parts like stronger motors, new sensors, and maybe a bigger battery, they're really pushing it. If they go over, some users might be disappointed. But if they keep all the upgrades and stay under 250 grams, that would be super impressive and could make this one of DJI's most exciting drones yet. So here's the exciting part. Rumors say the DJI Mini 5 Pro might come with a 1-inch camera sensor. That's a big jump from the Mini 4 Pro's smaller one by 1.3-inch sensor. What does that mean for you? Better photos and videos, especially in low light, with more detail and richer colors. If you're someone who travels, vlogs, or just loves creating content with a small drone, this could be a game changer. And it doesn't stop there. Some leaked images show a bigger looking camera, which might mean DJI is still working on improving it even more. Now here's something new. Sharp-eyed fans spotted what looks like extra sensors on the drone's body. People think this could mean DJI is adding LiDAR to help the drone detect obstacles better. If true, it would be the first time we see this kind of tech on a mini drone. It could make flying safer and more accurate, especially in tricky areas like forests or tight indoor spaces. Another leak suggests the Mini 5 Pro might have a 50-minute flight time, way more than a Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. And with a possible 25-kilometer range, this little drone could go farther and last longer than ever. Think about it: a compact drone with a powerful camera, long battery life, smart sensors, and a sleek design, and it still might stay under 250 grams, which is important for skipping registration in many countries. It sounds bold. It sounds exciting. And if DJI really pulls it off, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best small drone they've ever made. So what do you think? Is it the camera, flight time, or safety features that you care about most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates.